everyone, it's Brian. If you're anything like me, you might have friends that love to skateboard. So if you do, those skateboards get piled up all over the place. So making a rack to store them is a great solution.
Here's our example and our hopeful solution.
This video is the first of 2 videos on making skateboard racks. In this first video, we show you how to make a skateboard rack and hang it on the wall. And in the second video, I show you how you might think about doing this differently if you were to make these for production and to ship them across the country. We start with just a simple rectangle. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this rectangle to cut out 2 cross members. The cross members are going to have woodworking joinery in this that will interface with the uprights. This is one of our 2 uprights that we use to hold skateboards. The geometry of this can be cut by hand tools, or it can be cut on a CNC machine. Here we're going to show a video of cutting it with the CNC machine. Some of the features I want you to note is that the angle of these slots matter, along with the width, and the geometry in the back here is made so that it interfaces with our cross members. If you'd like to build this project yourself, you can check out our website, builditnotes.com. We're going to put a PDF file on there that has the dimensions of the skateboard rack. If you would instead prefer to have one just show up, you can order one from our Etsy site. If you'd like to pick this up in person, you can get it at Above Board Skate Park in Greensboro, North Carolina.